Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Afifa Aulia. Saya dari kelas 11 Merdeka 5. Di sini saya akan menceritakan cerita hasil karangan saya. Jenis teks naratif yang saya ambil adalah horor atau hal yang berkaitan dengan mistis. Dengan judul Beautiful Girl Guarding the Banyan Tree. One day, partially on Friday, there was a housewife who was very hardworking. He worked as an employee in a company. His name was Mr. Arif. He was 45 years old and had wife and 2 children. He was a great father. Apart from being a great father, he is also a good husband to his wife. One day, Mr. Arif was on his way home from the office to his house. About 15 minutes into the journey, he saw someone waving his hand as if giving a signal to tell Mr. Arif to stop. Mr. Arif pulled his car aside and then he asked the woman why she had stopped. In his car, the woman said punished Mr. Arif. Well, oblige me to ask for help to answer. Yes, I can ask for help, sir. And the woman answered, please take me to my mother's house. Mr. Arif, may you sis, please come up. When the woman got into the car, Mr. Arif felt that there was something stronger about the lady. She just straight ahead, fending with her fingers, but Mr. Arif tried to ignore her. When I reached an area, Mr. Arif instinctively felt something stronger because he smelled a very strong training smell. Not long after that, the woman asked Mr. Arif to stop Laupar. Mr. Arif stopped and the woman got out of the car, but Mr. Arif felt stronger because previously he never seen her when he came home from work 3. He immediately forgot she babs after the woman came down seaside. Thank you to Mr. Arif. Mr. Arif only answered, yes miss, you are welcome. Then he started the car again because he felt goosebumps when he got home. Mr. Arif cleaned himself and went to sleep. But exactly at night, Mr. Arif woke up from a bad dream and he couldn't sleep again. In the morning, the next morning, Mr. Arif woke because he saw that Mr. Arif's face was very pale. When he measured his husband's temperature, Mr. Arif's body was very hot and his wife took Mr. Arif to the hospital. Exactly 1 week, Mr. Arif was in the hospital and he didn't get better. Later, Mr. Arif talked about the woman fingered. Then Ustaz said that the warrior was not a human but a spirit creature that was changing shape after treatment for Mr. Arif. He finally recovered from his limbs. It can be called that on that Mr. Arif was another world of the world of spirits. It's not uncommon for many people to experience this something so unique to. So it can be concluded that on that day Mr. Arif was in another world of the world of spirits. It's not uncommon for many people to experience the something so unique. You remember that every time you travel. That is all and thank you. Inti dari cerita ini adalah seorang laki-laki yang sedang berkendara di sore hari menjelang maghrib. Di tengah perjalanannya, ia dijegat oleh seorang wanita. Lalu wanita ini berkata kepada si laki-laki, bisakah kamu mengantarkan saya ke rumah ibu saya? Lalu laki-laki ini menjawab, di mana rumah ibumu? Wanita ini menjelaskan dan laki-laki berkata, oh silahkan, kebetulan searah dengan saya. Saat wanita ini naik ke mobil, laki-laki ini merasa aneh karena mencium aroma melati yang sangat pekat, serta memperhatikan si wanita hanya memandang ke depan dengan tatapan yang kosong. Sesampainya di suatu daerah, wanita ini menyuruh laki-laki untuk berhenti dan turun dari mobil dan mengatakan, terima kasih sudah mengantar saya. Laki-laki ini berkata, sama-sama, tidak masalah. Saat melanjutkan perjalanannya, laki-laki ini tersadar bahwa kampung yang ia tempati berhenti tadi itu tidak pernah dia lihat sebelumnya. Padahal jalanan itu ia lewati setiap hari, setiap berangkat kerja maupun pulang dari kerja atau kantornya. Saat sampai di rumah, laki-laki ini membersihkan diri dan tidur. Tepat pukul 10 malam, ia terbangun dari tidurnya karena bermimpi buruk. Sehingga ia tidak dapat tidur lagi sampai keesokan harinya. Keesokan harinya, istrinya mengecek suhu si laki-laki ini. Dia sangat panas. Lalu istrinya membawa dia ke rumah sakit. Sesampainya di rumah sakit, dokter berkata bahwa laki-laki ini tidak apa-apa. Dia baik-baik saja. Laki-laki ini bernama Mr. Arif. Mr. Arif, apakah semalam ada kejadian yang Anda ingat? Lalu dia berkata, saya hanya mengantarkan seorang wanita ke rumah ibunya. Lalu dokter berkata kepada sang istri, tolong bawa dia ke tempat yang mengetahui tentang hal mistis. Saat Pak Arif dibawa ke tempat itu, orang yang mengetahui hal mistis ini berkata, Pak Arif diikuti oleh sosok wanita. Wanita ini tidak ingin pisah dari Pak Arif. Ternyata wanita yang Pak Arif antarkan semalam itu bukanlah seorang wanita sesungguhnya atau bukanlah manusia, melainkan makhluk halus yang sedang menyamar sebagai manusia. Sekian cerita yang dapat saya sampaikan, kurang lebihnya mohon dimaafkan. Saya akhiri dengan ucapan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.